back to We Speak Like This. We are talking entrance exams on the show today. Now, we've already explored some tips for medical entrance exams. Right now, we're going to focus on engineering entrance exams here at Career Launcher in Kailash Colony Market. Right then, I'm joined right now by two students who are part of Career Launcher, and both of you have been coming here for over 2 years. Tell me a little bit about your class timings, how many times a week, how does it go about?
Well, it was about 4 days a week and about 3 hours per day.
It's pretty intensive training, I guess. Both of you have just given your class 12 boards. Do you think preparations for entrance exams in any way hamper your preparation for class 12?
Yes, it did. In 12th, we weren't able to give time equally to school and Career Launcher.
And how different is it from like the course that you study in NCERT for your class 12 boards? Obviously, the difficulty level would be a lot different while preparing for an engineering exam.
Well, yes, science is just science, but the intensity does matter. And the level of questions we practice in Career Launcher are quite above the school standards.
Okay, and what's the main form of practice that you get here at Career Launcher?
We usually get worksheets and tests which are of quite a good level. So we regularly give those tests, and if we check our score. If our score is fine, if we are getting near to the cutoff, the present cutoff for IIT JEE, it's well and good, and if not, then we aim for higher.
And the regular tests that you have here at Career Launcher, have they helped you in like keeping a regularity when it comes to study?
Yes, a lot.
Okay, and what would be the ideal institute for the two of you on a parting note for you to get through? Which institute would you want to get through?
I would like Career Launcher because of the small batch thing we had, but
no, in terms of engineering institute, which would be your dream institute for you?
Okay. IIT, of course.
IIT, any particular? Delhi?
Yeah.
What about you?
IIT, maybe Kharagpur.
Okay, IIT is obviously the choice for these two boys. What we're going to do right now is I'm going to come back here and talk to the teachers, the faculty a little more about the entrance exams and how to go about it. I'm still here at Career Launcher in Kailash Colony Market, and right now I'm joined by Mr. Pandey and Mr. Anurag, who teach maths and chemistry here. Sir, पहले तो ये बताइए कि जब आप engineering entrance exams के लिए prepare कर रहे हो, final tips आप लोग अपने students को क्या देते हो, particularly entrance exams के बारे? We'll come to subjects later on, लेकिन paper जब attempt करते वक्त?
Paper attempt करते वक्त हम final tips ये देते हैं कि अपने basic strong रखो, और मतलब जितने जो भी तुम्हारे स्ट्रेंथ है मॉक के अंदर जो भी अगर से कैलकुलस स्ट्रेंथ है तो पहले वही क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करो.
ओके, और यू कंडक्ट अ लॉट ऑफ टेस्ट्स आउट हियर, मॉक टेस्ट इन योर इंस्टीट्यूट. तो जब आप पेपर करेक्ट करते हो तो व्हाट आर सम ऑफ द कॉमन मिस्टेक्स दैट यू नोटिस?
एक मिस्टेक्स तो वही जो फिलिंग होता है, जो सर्किल करते हैं वो मिस्टेक्स रहता है, और मिस्टेक्स होते हैं कई बच्चे क्या करते हैं कि पहले सॉल्व कर लिया, पेपर को टिक कर दिया, बाद में उसको सर्किल करते हैं, तो उसमें टाइम भी कम लास्ट में बचता है, प्लस कंफ्यूजन या मिस्टेक्स होने के चांसेस भी रहते हैं. तो ये
सर्किल करने का करेक्ट मेथड कौन सा?
हाल जैसे आपने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया, आपको लगता है राइट है, उसको तुरंत सर्किल कर दीजिए, आगे बढ़ जाइए. उसको पीछे के लिए मत छोड़ो कि बाद में देखेंगे, अदरवाइज इसमें फिर बाद में ही होगा कि टाइम कम बचता है, आपको क्वेश्चन और भी देखने हैं, तो प्रोसेस आपकी कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगी, उसको हैंडल करना काफी डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा आपका.
और आप लोग क्या ऑफन ये भी नोटिस करते हैं कि बच्चे हैंडल नहीं कर पाते टाइम, मतलब बोर्ड एग्जाम्स प्रिपरेशन और यहाँ के एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स प्रिपरेशन के बीच?
हाँ, जनरली 11th के बाद थोड़ा ड्रॉप आउट रहता है 10 to 15%, बट हमारे यहाँ फिर भी बहुत लीस्ट है कंपेयर टू मार्केट.
Okay, so it's a lot less here at Career Launcher. I'm just going to come back and talk to both Mr. Pandey and Mr. Anurag about their particular subjects, maths and chemistry, and some final minutes tips on that. But before that, all you students out there preparing for law entrance exams, here are some tips on how to tackle those exams.
The exam is divided into 5 sections. One is legal reasoning, which is supposedly the most important section, since the students are preparing for a law entrance exam. Their basics of reasoning should be well in place. The other section is logical reasoning. You have English, you have mathematics, and general aptitude or general knowledge. So these are the 5 sections across which the law entrance exams are based upon. Reasoning is one area where a lot of questions are asked on. Reasoning can further be divided into analytical and logical reasoning, and also in the legal reasoning section it's less of domain knowledge, less of the knowledge of the law, but more of reasoning skills which you require. So reasoning is one area which any aspirant should focus upon while preparing for a law entrance test. Since areas such as for someone who started off late and probably will start preparing just after their board exams, I would say focus on core areas such as logical reasoning. No point in trying to mug up huge amount of data in general knowledge, because there is no way to know what sort of questions you would come in the general knowledge area. Also, while taking the test, it's important that you don't get obsessed with a particular section and try and move across sections as quickly as possible. Try and identify your strengths. That's the most important aspect of the preparation. If you know what your strengths are, you can focus on that and try and crack the exam on basis of your strength.
Tips there on how to tackle your law entrance exams. We're back here with Mr. Pandey and Mr. Anurag. Now we're going to talk about the subjects. Maths से शुरू करते हैं, one of the phobia subjects. कुछ last minute tips, कोई particular chapters जो आप बच्चों को हमेशा बोलते हैं इन्हें focus करो, इनमें से definitely कुछ marks score कर पाओगे?
Generally 50% to 60% course जो main topics हैं वो हैं circle, parabola, quadratic equation, complex numbers, definite integral, and application of derivative and functions.
Okay.
Which cover almost 50 to 60% of the course.
Okay, and in the papers that you have seen in the past few years gone by, entrance exams papers, have you noticed any particular chapter where tricky questions usually come from, like in chapters में से tricky questions?
Tricky questions usually comes from permutation, combination, probability, complex numbers also.
Okay, and the papers that you set here for your mock test, उन्हें आप as close to as possible रखते हैं entrance standards?
हाँ, 90 to
difficulty level होती है
90 to 100%, 90 to 95% वही difficulty level रहता है.
Okay, and how do you see the students improving? Like इस batch से आप particular batch से बात करते हैं जो अभी फिलहाल देने वाले entrance
also.
ठीक है, and the papers that you set here for your mock test, उन्हें आप as close to as possible रखते हैं entrance standards?
हाँ, 90 to
difficulty level कम होती है
90 to 100%, 90 to 95% वही difficulty level रहता है.